Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video, or I think this is just a continuous of the vlog, but it's a new day and I'm on my way to have dinner with my friend. So this is what I'm wearing, just this coat from Zara. This is from Gina Tricot, it's a Swedish brand, and these pants, black jeans, also from Gina Tricot. So yeah, that's my outfit. So now I'm gonna have dinner at my favorite restaurant, Pho, and yeah, I'm wearing falsies today. I really like it. I look a little bit sad for some reason, but hopefully it doesn't look like it on camera. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna eat pho, my favorite food. Hell yeah! So let's go. So I'm gonna bring my purse. It's this Michael Kors bag that I got from my sister for graduation, high school graduation. So I love that bag so much. And I'm gonna turn off all the lights before I leave. And yeah, so I'm heading out. So now we're at my favorite restaurant, Pho, and we're looking at the menu right here. So this is the menu. It's really cool because you fold it out and then you have like all of the dishes like laid out properly. I really appreciate that we can like look at all the dishes and what it looks like and what it contains and everything. Thank you, Val. And yeah, so this is my favorite restaurant. Oh, sorry.
Okay. Just like eating chips, just normal.
I think you look cute today. You want to join the vlog?
Sure. Okay. Hold on, let me not be stuffing my face with chips.
Okay. Okay, so this is my friend Elisa. She's so cute.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you're so cute. She is from the US and she has been joining my vlogs a lot in the past. And then we had a little bit of a vlogging pause. But yeah, give it a thumbs up if you think that she should start a YouTube channel, because seriously she would be so good. Like, she's American, she got all things, like all the good things go down, and she could also talk more about like what it's like to be an American in the Netherlands. I mean, that's more interesting than being European in the Netherlands, like seriously. But yeah, so we always hang here when she comes visiting from Ireland. You want to say anything?
Yeah.
How do you like the Netherlands? Do you like it?
Yeah, I really like the Netherlands. Highly recommend it for university. It's a great student life. Yeah, even just, you know, going to a restaurant or going to the movies, it's fantastic. So highly recommend Rotterdam in the Netherlands.
Yeah. So now we're gonna eat. So what we got here is pho, and this is the right type of pho. This is my favorite. And yeah, this is like with all of the stuff. A friend of mine was like, yeah, is this really how you eat it? No, I just don't like the vegetables, but this is supposed like how you're supposed to eat it. So yeah, bon appetit! So now it is, what day is it? It's Tuesday, 20th of November, and here I am in this classroom by myself. I'm just, yeah, writing on my paper. And yeah, I had a European Public Policy this morning lecture at 8:45, and I had French right afterwards until 12. And now I'm done already, so that's why I thought I had some time to vlog a little bit for you guys. And this is the room, just it has this whiteboard. This is not a typical classroom. I'm just sitting here to write on my own paper. I like to sit in silence and everything, and it's nice to have a little bit of privacy in their own room. So I want to show you guys a little bit of the view from the window. It's not very interesting, but that's the canteen under there. Right there is the canteen, and yeah, well, you can't really see this much. Right here is the aula. That's the big red thing is the aula, and that's like a big auditorium for big ceremonies such as the first year diploma in the Netherlands, and also the when you graduate. So I hope I will be there soon. Well, I hope I'll be there next year, or like in 2 years. Yeah, so the makeup today really simple. I was like rushing out of the door at 7 already, so that's why I didn't have time to do much, but it looks okay. Okay, so I just filmed a little Christmas gift ideas. So I feel like I've been a little bit productive. I'm trying to figure out what more I can film for you guys and what you guys find interesting and stuff. If you have any ideas, then comment down below. I'm gonna cook on Wednesday, so in 2 days, with my friends. So I will probably film that I am baking some cookies and stuff. I'm really excited about that because I love unhealthy stuff. Now I'm gonna go and have dinner. For dinner I'm gonna have spaghetti bolognese, and I love that. It tastes so nice. And I'm gonna take off my makeup. My makeup today is really simple. If you want to see a get ready with me where I'm putting on this makeup, then just check it out in the card here. I'll put it on the screen or at the end of this video. Yeah, I can actually show some of the products that I used. So I will go there. So the products that I used today was this Chanel Soleil. This is really on the pricier side, but it is so worth it, you guys. Like, look at this. It's been like stayed on, and it's so smooth, beautifully all day. So I'm like, yes. And it's really a splurge. It's like $70. So that's really something you should wish for Christmas. For example, as you guys know, always the Kiko Milano stick, eyeshadow stick for like my eyes. As you guys can see, a little bit of definition. And what I used for my lips is actually new. I bought this L'Oreal lipstick here. This color is so beautiful. Like, look at that. It's because it was sale, and then you have the L'Oreal Paris like written on, and it smells so nice. It smells really, really nice, you guys. And the color is 226 Color Rich Rose Glance. L'Oreal 226. So yep, I would highly recommend that one. It's brand new, and it's really nice topper for the colors, like any color. It's also what I'm wearing right now, and it also has been staying on all day. So yeah, and then the rest is actually on, that was like the new stuff, and the rest is actually in the get ready with me that I filmed a couple of weeks ago only. So that's why I didn't film a get ready with me this morning, because I thought, well, it's not that interesting to watch me get ready with me with the same routine every time. But when I switch my routine, then I will of course film a new one. And yeah, so I filmed a little the second year books, but this year I didn't actually buy the books. There weren't that many books. It was mostly lecture slides, and also we got a lot of information through the lectures. So there were articles that were available for us in the manual book, so we didn't have to buy books, that many books this year. And also in the other vlogs you can also check out some of the books that I used. Like today I had export management and French, so I only had 2 classes. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!